Algebra. Mathematicians use letters to represent unknown numbers. Using letters to represent unknown numbers is called algebra. Algebra is often called the language of mathematics. It is a language that is hundreds of years old and was first developed by the Babylonians. Robotics. Algebra is used by people in many interesting jobs. These include engineers, architects, accountants, astronauts, and animators. Robotics is a study of technology used in the design of robots. It is an area of engineering that needs some very difficult algebra. Construct linear expressions. The topics about expressions. Example 2x, 2x plus 3, 3 into x plus 8, x by bar, x by 4, etc. When writing or simplifying algebraic expression, you must remember the following rules. Construct simple algebraic expressions by using letters to represent numbers. Example first one, 2x equals 2 multiply x. 2x means 2 multiply x, or we can say x plus x. X plus x means 1x plus 1x, it becomes 2x. Second example, 3 plus 2x or 2x plus 3. We cannot add 3 plus 2x because this here contains variable and this is a constant. So these constant and variable we cannot add. So it is separate 2x plus 3 or 3 plus 2x. Third one, x divided by 4. X divided by 4 means x by 4. As a fraction we can write, or x divided by 4. 3 multiply x plus 8. This multiplication for both the terms. So we are using the bracket. So without the multiplication sign also we can write 3 bracket x plus 8. It means 3 multiply. So we can open the bracket. We can open the bracket 3x and 3 multiply 8. So it becomes 3x plus, the middle the plus sign is there, 3 into 8, 24. We can expand the expression. Next example, x multiply x. When two variables, the same variables, when we multiply, we should add the power. Power means here no number means 1. Here also 1. So 1 plus 1 we should add the power, it becomes x square. While adding, I told you, while adding x plus x is 2x, x into x is x square. This common mistake most of the children they are doing, so you have to understand these two difference. X into y, there are two different variables. X into y, xy only. Don't write 2xy. This is also a mistake, common mistake. Second last example, y multiply 7 multiply x. Two different variables and a constant. So here 1y, 1x. Multiply with the 7, it becomes 7 only. The constant when multiplied 7 only. Here 1, here 1. And all the constant when you multiply it 7 only. And both the variable together. So 7xy, it means 7 into x into y. Last example I have given, x divided by y. Like this we can write, means x by y. As a fraction we can write. So these are the simple algebraic expressions. Some examples I gave. Using letters for unknown numbers. The first example I given, the statement is given, you have to write an algebraic expression. The statement is given, you have to write the algebraic expression. Divides the number we don't know, so we are using a variable. Divide the number by 3 and then subtract 2. The number taken as x or y or anything you can take. So I am taking now x. Divides, it means fraction, x by 3. And then subtract, so minus 2. This is the algebraic expression, x by 3 minus 2. Add 7 to a number and then multiply by 4. A number means a variable. So here also taken as x only. So x plus 7. 7 add to a number, it means x plus 7. Then multiply by 4. Multiply both the variable and the number. So we have to use the bracket, and in the first we have to write 4. Here we are writing that is not correct. So 4 bracket x plus 7, that is correct. Multiplication we can use the bracket also, or then we can expand it. 4x plus 28. 4x plus 4 into 7, 28. 4x plus 28 or 4 bracket x plus 7. This is the expression for this statement. Third example is multiplies the number by 4 and then subtracts the result from y. This variable is given, one of the variable is given, another variable not there, number only it's written. So we can write any letter. So I taken as x. So from y, so first y we have to, from y we are taking away, minus, subtract, it means minus, the number multiplied by 4, it means 4x. So the statement, the expression is y minus 4x. A number y multiplies by 2 and then subtract from the number x. Same type of question. From the number x minus multiplied by 2 minus 2y. Add 4 to a number and then divides by 10. Add 4 to a number. This number is x. Add 4. X plus 4 divides by 10. Divides means both. So the big line for both x plus 4. It's a fraction x plus 4 divided by 10 as a fraction. Or we can write like this but use the bracket here. And here this is a fraction. So this question, these two, I have to understand the difference. So the next lesson, the next topic, in the next class I will show you.